Okay, all right. So let me show you guys. All right, so we are here discussing the Canton Fair program, guys. So what I wanted to do is shoot a quick video just walking through what we're going to be doing at the Canton Fair. So Canton Fair is something we hold at the Guangzhou, basically in Guangzhou in China. It's twice a year. We go over there, we take people with us, and a lot of people are buyers. So a lot of people are going over there, a lot of them are Amazon sellers, and they're looking to find new products. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of quick things here. So just film this here. So Canton Fair program, that's basically the Canton Fair right there. Okay, so this is something that's a great if you're looking for products and you're struggling. If you are, if you're being maybe thinking about doing Amazon, you'll get a whole ton of ideas there. It's where we do a couple of things. So we take small groups over there, no more than 10 people. I think the last one we had about 5 to 7 people. It wasn't that big at all. I'm there with you, so there's a lot of one-on-one mentoring, and we stay in 5-star hotels. So a lot of it's all basically looked after. Hotels, shuttles to and from the Canton Fair. We look after even breakfasts every morning. And for this month only, we're actually looking after your flights. All right. So I'm actually paying physically out of my own money for your flights. Right now, there is a cost to come to the Canton Fair, and we'll get to that in a second. Right. But here are a couple of things that happens at the Canton Fair. So you're guided by me personally through the Canton Fair. We do mastermind sessions we've got importers, Amazon sellers who talk about what they're doing currently right now with Amazon. Okay, there's obviously one-on-one mentoring with me. There's guidance on sourcing the hottest products, because guys, the products change constantly, you know, with Amazon constantly, right? Let's go down here, one-on-one. So if you've already got a business, we can actually help you with the business. A lot of people we're working with, though, they're just sort of getting started. Okay, so the hotels that we stay in are typically 5-star hotels, so a lot of it's all catered, a lot of it's really you're looked after, great rooms. We do normally do a cultural tour, so we take you out on a cruise on the river in Guangzhou, which is really lovely. But guys, I just want to stress, this is a great opportunity for you to find great products and really accelerate your Amazon business. If you've been thinking about this for a while, going to the Canton Fair, it is really one of those experiences of a lifetime. Okay, so what you need to do if you want to come to the Canton Fair and join us, I don't think. What you need to do is go to my website. So go to importexportcoaching.com/free flights, or if you head over to my website, you'll see it there. I'm doing that promotion this month only, so I'm actually going to pay for your flights. Now, there is a cost to attending the Canton Fair. If you're a student, you actually get a discount already. If you're not a student, basically there is no discount. All right, so you're actually better off joining as a student to actually get the discount, because they're quite sizable. Give us a call also if you are interested in joining us at the Canton Fair. We do run out of spots sometimes as well. A couple of years ago, we actually ran out completely. We sold out. So these are small, close, you know, events that we don't have 50 people rocking up or 100 people. It's usually 10. Right, last time we had about 5 to 7 people, so usually 10 people. There's mini workshops at the end of every day where we sort of sit down and go through product ideas. We talk about, you know, what product did you find? What product did you find? And also, before we go to the Canton Fair every morning, we do a bit of a prep talk on how to negotiate when you're there. So how to get the best price, how to present yourself. I've got these business cards somewhere as well. Where are the here we go. So you need to have business cards, right? See? Right, you need to have these business cards prepared, okay, before going over there, right? You have to do this, and it's something that I carry about 1,000, sometimes 2,000, and guess what? I come back, I've got no business cards. I've actually completely run out, because there's a lot of networking there. You're going to meet a lot of contacts. You're going to come in contact with a lot of Amazon sellers who are making a lot of money and being very successful online. So just the connections alone and the networking alone, it's worth joining us. So guys, find out more. There's an application process. I actually want to find out from you what your main reason for joining us is. Are you currently selling on Amazon? What's your biggest challenge? Is it finding good suppliers, or is it finding products? You're not sure what product is going to be profitable. So go to our website right now. That the web link should be below here, and give us a call at the office as well, 02-8003-7534. Like I said, also visit us on the page. We are going to ask you a few questions about what you're doing right now. Plus, this month only, I'm giving you free flights, all right? I'm paying for your flights. So talk to you soon, guys. And by the way, it's going to be one of those sort of businesses, or one of those trips that you'll never forget. It's a trip of a lifetime. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.